My dear friends, in this particular video we are going to learn how can we delete files or folder from a location inside the server. So we have installed the XAMPP server, and inside the XAMPP server we have got this folder. The folder name is my folder. So inside this folder I have got these files, and we are going to delete the files using the PHP. The function that will be used to delete the file, that is called unlink. So by using this unlink function we can delete files or folder inside any given location. So inside the server these files are kept in a folder. I'm going to delete that. So you can see file7.php. so this is file7.php. I've opened this file7.php in this text editor to execute this deleting function. So here I have to specify the file name which I'm going to delete. So let me copy this file name. Now this file I'm going to delete. So if I now I have to give the file name inside this. So I've given this file name inside this. So I have saved this written code. Okay, so now I'm going to execute this file7.php through this XAMPP server. Now so I've pressed the enter. Now you can see the file has been deleted. Right, now I can see I have executed this. So nothing is going to be printed over here. So because I have not written anything here for getting printed, so it is just going to execute the deleting operation. So deleting operation has been performed successfully. That is why you can see the file has been deleted from the location. You can see the file 1 has been deleted. Right, now let's say I'm going to remove this file here. Now you can see this particular code has been written here. Now I can see, let me just show you. I'm going to open that file. So inside the test folder here, this file. So previously the file was here inside this file7.php. that file where I have written the deleting code, that file I have kept over here previously, but now I had removed that here to here, inside the test folder. So now to delete the file from this given folder, what I need to do exactly, let me show you. Let's say now I am going to delete this file 2, or you can say file 4.docx. This particular file I am going to delete. So let me just copy this. Now if I put it over here, is it going to perform? Let me show you. So I have saved it. Now I'm going to perform this. Now okay, now see the warning has been thrown that no such files or directory in that given location has been found. So the location that I have given over here, you can see in the line 4, 1 2 3 4. So here I have given the location. In this location no file has been found. Why? So this is not had performed. This thing has not performed. Why? Because now I have kept the file over here. So first I have to access this folder, right? So that is why I have to write over here, that is my folder, my folder. I have to access this my folder, and inside the my folder there I can access the given file, right? So this is how I have to execute the deleting operation, right? Because now you can see previously that executable file was here only. I have kept it over here now, but now I have kept it here. So first from here, so in this file7.php I have written the code. So from this file first I have to access this folder, and then only I can access the file which I have to delete. Now okay, now it is going to perform that. Let me show you. So I'm going to delete this file, okay, which is kept inside this my folder. Now let me execute. So I'm going selected the browser. I'm going to press the enter. So after I press the enter, now you can see the file has been deleted successfully. So I hope you have understood. Now I'm going to do one thing, that so first I'm going to open this form. So you can see I've taken a form here, right? So I've just taken a form. Let me show you a form I have taken. This particular form, let me show you. This form I have taken. Now here is a simple form. In this form I have just got two input. I have got, this is the first input. So in this input, this is a text type input. The user is going to provide a file name that is going to be deleted, right? For deleting the file, user just have to provide the file name. In the namespace I have written delete, because this input tag have to be recognized by here. So here I'm going to write, see, that is here I'm going to use the post method. The action, the method is going to be used, that is post method, and action will be taken to file7.php. So action will be taken to this particular file, and I'm going to use the post method. So here I'll write post, okay, and here I'm going to provide the name so that it can to be recognized the input type. So this input type will be recognized by this name, that is delete. So now I'm going to keep this this thing. I'm going to keep this thing. So user is going to provide this over here. So user is going to write a name of a file which is going to be deleted. Let's say here I have got two files, file 2 and file 3. Usually will write file 2 or file 3 and that is going to be deleted. But now also I have to specify the location. So here what I exactly need to do. So here I have to write my, right, my folder, folder, my folder. So I have specified the location because if inside my folder these files are kept, right? So user is not going to provide any location. User is just going to provide the file name, that is file 2 or file 3, like this. So and also user is not going to give the extension name also. So also I have to mention the extension name. So here just I will also mention the extension name. That extension name is .jpg. So .jpg. So I have mentioned the folder location, right, and the extension name, and user is going to provide the file name, and that file name user is going to provide here in this input type as a text. User is going to write, and that will be recognized as delete, this namespace delete. So it will be carried to this page, that is the file7.php page, right? And by using this unlink application I'm going to delete that. Okay, let us perform now. So here let me just write here for you. So just see. So here I'm going to write file file 2. Now this file is going to be deleted. Now see, file 2 has been deleted, right? Now if I write here file 1, now what will happen? There are no such file name file 1. Now you can see warning has been thrown to me, no such file or directories. Now if I write here file 3, you can see file 3 has been deleted. So my dear friends, I hope this video is going to help you how to delete a file inside a folder of a server. So if you like this video, please consider clicking the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. In the next lecture I'm going to come up with a new lesson for you.